What is up, guys? So we have another installation video. So I know I told you guys the next video we're gonna do a review on the roof nest. Let's just push that back a little bit just because we haven't really used it yet, so I can't really give a review. So we'll hold off on that. Today we're gonna put on a part for the Jeep. This will prepare us for the other part that's coming. So we're gonna be putting on the Rhino Rack Crossbars for our Jeep Gladiator. There's a twist to this. This crossbar is meant for hard tops. We don't have a hard top, we have a soft top. I've been looking around, you know, I couldn't get any answers. We have rain guards, the same rain guards on the hard top. If you put weight on this, it's pretty strong. I don't plan on putting anything heavy on the roof rack. I just wanted to put an awning here. You know, the awning is only 25 pounds. That's what the manufacturer says. And then, you know, my fishing pole and snowboard up there. So it's not, we're not putting hundreds of pounds on this, just a little bit. And you know, this is about the same, if anything, stronger than the fiberglass on the hardtop. I'll be the guinea pig and try this on because I haven't seen anyone tried it. I've seen pictures, but I couldn't really get an answer of, you know, did it give any issues or anything. But yeah, it fits. So I'm thinking that this would work for, you know, not fully loading it, but just for an awning, just something somewhere I could attach the awning to, and my fishing poles and snowboard and stuff, because you know the back of the Jeep is pretty much full. Alright, so this is what comes with the Rhino Rack Crossbar. The kit comes with obviously the 2 crossbars. You got the gutter mount legs, you got 4 of those. You got the U-section rubber pieces right there, and then you got the hardware, and then you got the gutter clamps. The tools you would need for this install, just a Phillip, the tool that comes with the Rhino Rack, which also serves a security key, and a tape measure. Make sure everything is straight and even on both sides. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take one of the crossbars. You got these rubber strips right here. Cover all this channel with that rubber piece. You should have multiple pieces, so cover this whole thing because that's what's gonna prevent it from making all that wind noise. Got those channel covers all attached on both bars. Now there is a front or back, and they did label that, so you have the rear and then this is the front. Make sure you put the right crossbar on the right side. Next up, let's move on to the gutter mount. So you have these little rubber protector for the gutter mount. What you do is you get your mount and you put the rubber pieces on the bottom of it. Just like that. Now we get our stands and you slide it into the crossbar, just like that. Now take the other stand and put it onto the other side. Once you put the stand onto the crossbar, you do have these little holes right here. There is a Phillips screw that you put into that hole, and then you got one on each side. Alright, so I got the screws in, and then do the same on the other side, which is already done. I did those already. So now we're gonna place these bars onto our gutters. Alright, so let's start off with the back one. Make sure you have the back. Just put it in your gutter, just like so. So now that piece right there is inside the gutter. Now let's go on the other side. We'll just slide this down into the gutter, and now get your other crossbar and then put it onto the front. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these rear ones close to the support, so you know it has more support to it. I haven't seen any video on this or any like stuff about putting this onto the soft top, so for more protection I'm gonna just scoot it down to where there's more support so it could take more load. So that's the back, and I got the front right here. So where I mounted this is where there is a support, so if you can see, if you put weight on it, there is a lot of weight it could handle. Alright guys, so once we get the crossbars in place, now we're gonna grab our hardware. So grab the bolt, we're gonna put the pressure washers first, then we're gonna put the washer right after. So you need 2 on each side. So you have the bolt, crush washer, and then the regular washer right after. All right, now we're gonna grab the clamp and then the cover. So we're gonna put the clamp like this, and then the cover just like this, and then you put the 2 screws and it would hold it. So let me do this and then I'm gonna show you guys. So clamp, cover, and then you got the 2 screws. So how this is set up, just screw in the bolts onto the stands. Alright, so once you get the clamps and hardware on, go ahead and grab your Allen key and tighten it all up once till this gap is gone, and you should be good to go. Alright, so once you get that all tightened up, go ahead and do it on all other sides. And once you guys are finished, your roof rack on your soft top is all set. Alright, so that's what it looks like on top. So it's sturdy. It's not going nowhere. And as far as load test, like I said, all I'm putting up here is a awning and a rack for my snowboard and fishing poles. Not much weight, probably max I would say 50 pounds on here. Awning is 25 pounds. Snowboard and fishing rod, I mean, it's not gonna be heavier than the awning. So if that's the only thing you guys are trying to put on here, then I don't see why not this rack wouldn't work for the soft top. We'll see. I'll be the guinea pig, like I said. So don't blame me if you guys mess up your Gladiator. I'm over here trying new things, seeing if this one would work for the soft top, and it does work. Alright, so just to show you guys, it held me. I'm 155 pounds. I know I'm only doing it on the stands, but I mean, that's where all the weight goes. No issue. So I'll see how it is. I'll do a review over time once I get my awning and all that stuff on top, and I'll drive it around for a couple of 100 miles, and then I'll do a good review. So until that time, if you don't want to spend $250 on it and try it out for you guys yourselves, then I wouldn't blame you. It took me a while to pull the trigger and get this and try myself. As you guys could see, it works on the soft top. Alright, so that's how it looks like from the back. And obviously guys, so if you guys want to open up your top, you're gonna have to take off your front bar. I put this far enough to where if I take off the front bar, I could just open it up all the way back there and it'll just fold on top of that. Alright, so hope you guys like this video. I hope this helped. Hopefully nothing goes wrong with it. So if you guys have any questions before trying this out, message me, message Abby, email us, whatever, DM me. We'll be happy to answer your questions. So hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.